Let's say you're very interested in the topic of emotional intelligence. You want to know as much about it, you want to know everything about it. You attend Invisible Leadership with the intention to learn more about emotional intelligence. Now, your focus and your questions will be more around clarifying the concepts, making sure that you understand fully what is presented to you, the content. If we were to assess you on how well you understand emotional intelligence, the only kind of assessment at this stage we could do is test your understanding, test how well you grasp the content, test how well you understood the concepts. We cannot assess you on how you used emotional intelligence, how you applied emotional intelligence, because that was not the focus. The intention was to learn emotional intelligence. Now let's see another scenario. Here, when you attend Invisible Leadership, you had certain challenges, certain questions in mind. You wanted to explore the answers for those questions. In this case, when you are attending Invisible Leadership, your questions will be more about how the content presented to you is going to help you in solving those problems. The nature of your questions will not be so much about clarifying the content per se, but also how that content now helps you to move forward. How does that link, or in which way it links to solving your problem? In this scenario, if we were to assess you, then we will be assessing how well you applied. Did it solve the problems that you wanted to solve? How well it solved, and so on. So the nature of assessment will be very different as compared to just testing your knowledge about it. So my point is that it is not about assessing how well you understand or apply emotional intelligence or mindfulness at work or in your life. The assessment is more about what kind of results you achieved. What did you set out to achieve and how well you achieved it? That would be the focal point of assessment or any measurement. Emotional intelligence, mindfulness are merely the tools, are merely the vehicles to get you to your final destination. We measure whether you achieved your goal, whether you reached your final destination or not. Vehicle is not important.